this video, we are going to learn how to solve this SAT math question using this calculator. Alright, so it's very easy. This is Tier 84 Plus Scientific Calculator, the silver edition. So let's get started, guys. The question here says the function g is defined by g of x equals x squared plus 9, for which value of x is g of x equals 25. So we have to find the function for x when g of x equals 25. Now guys, let me show you how you can do this manually before you can punch through the calculator. It's actually very easy. Alright, so basically what you have to know is that in algebra, g of x can be replaced with y. Some use f of x, but here they're using g of x, so we can say that g of x y equals was 25. So when you substitute it in this equation we have here, you can say that our 25 equals x squared plus 9. Alright, so that's what we have basically. Now to make x squared here, this way formula, this now equals over the equality sign and we change the negative. We now have 25 minus 9 equals x squared. So 25 minus 9, that's we have 16 equals x squared. When you make x squared formula, you square root both sides. So this square can't be square root, so square root of 16 will give you plus or minus 4. Okay, but we usually take the positive number, so the right answer to this question is option A, which is 4. But let me show you can do this with a calculator. It's actually very easy to do. Let me show you. So let me be the calculator. Now this is the silver edition calculator. The very first thing you need to do will be to reset, to put in default mode as usual. So reset, press second button, press this plus button, then press 7 for reset. I want to reset all one, press 1, then press 2, it resets all one for you. Are good to go. So let's impute this equation on the calculator. To solve this, you have to go to equation mode in the calculator. You press this mouse button, then you navigate up to get this equation solver. So this equation solver, you press enter for it. So let's impute the equation. Now when you observe carefully here in this equation solver, we are starting with 0 equals the values you want to put at the right side of the equation. Now if you are using Tier 84 Plus Scientific Calculator CE, alright, the current model of this calculator, the process of solving equation on it is different from this silver edition. So if you want to be used, if that's the calculator you're using, the Tier 84 Plus CE scientific calculator, if that's the one you're using and you want to be used to how to solve the equation solver, you want to be used to how to make use of the equation solver there, check my videos on ACT maths on this channel. You will see that's a calculator I use actually to solve problems on ACT. But for this SAT maths, I'm using silver edition. So this is how you do it here in the silver edition. It's a bit different in the CE edition, but still the same process. Okay, so let's go ahead and solve it on this silver edition. So here we have the left side of the equation have 0. So for the right side of the equation, what we're going to impute will be, now guys, look at the solution we have here. Instead of doing, remember we have our g of x is 25, right? So what you basically have to do is that this 25 will now cause, let me show you. So this 25 will now cause this equality sign, we change to negative. Alright, we now have 0 here. So what you're going to have will be 0 equals x squared, okay, plus 9 minus 25. So we're going to have 0 equals x squared, 9 minus 25, we have minus 16. So this is what we're going to impute in the calculator. Okay, so it's as simple as this. Let's impute the values. We have x squared, you press the button for x, to bring x squared, press this x squared. So we have minus 16, make use of this button for minus 16. So that's it. Now once you are done with this, the next thing you're going to do will be to press enter. When you get there, it will ask you to assign x a value. Now you can choose assign x values from 0, 1, 2 and above, but I highly recommend 0 to be save in most times. So let's assign x to be 0 here, and that's it. Once you are done, press alpha and this enter button to solve it. Very important. So if to solve it, x is what, 4. You see, so the value of x is what, 4. Is as simple as this, guys. So the right answer is option A. This basically can solve this kind of short math question using the TI 84 plus CV edition scientific calculator, and also do it manually using our fast for multiple choice question. Hope there's something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, make sure that subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of this video. So like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from the video. If you don't have any specific questions asked regarding what I talked about in this video, feel free to leave a quiz in the comment section below, and then ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that part of the channel membership by clicking on the join button. You get payment information on how to solve more problems on your SAT maths and other college entrance exams for writing. Otherwise, having known this, click on the next bell. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to reset once you're done. Just press second, this plus button for the instruction. Press 7 to reset. Press 1 to reset, or press 2 to reset. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching.